Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hello lovelies, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chinwe. Today we are making the Nigerian okra stew. This soup is super simple and delicious. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and let's start cooking. For my choice of protein for this recipe, I will be using turkey and chives. Feel free to use any proteins of your choice. And to season the proteins, I will go in with seasoning cubes, chopped onions and salt. I will mix to combine and allow it to cook on its own juice. I will cook until soft. While that is cooking, I will prep my okra by hand chopping half of the okra and blend the rest. Over here are my peppers and onions. I've already washed and removed the seeds. Next, I will transfer it to my blender and blend until smooth. At this time, I am done prepping. The next step is to start making the soup. In my preheated oil, I will go in with my chopped onions, iru and crayfish. I'm going to fry for a while to release the fragrance. Next, I will go in with my blended peppers, and for the seasoning, I will go in with seasoning cubes and salt. I will mix to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, next I will go in with the stock as well as the proteins. Next, I will go in with my blended okra and more water to loosen it up. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, next I will go in with my chopped okra, grilled mackerel fish, more crayfish and all-purpose seasoning. I will mix to combine and allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, our okra stew is ready. You guys, this is very simple and delicious, and you can pair it with any swallow of your choice. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and families. Thank you, and always be positive. And see you in our next video. Bye guys.